video of me getting in trouble by Mr. You dare me? Excuse me. Sorry about that. Sure. Damn, that was solid as hell. I can't really eat. That should be alright. Look at my Arkham artwork. Arkham artwork. Oh my god, dude. I'm gonna cough like hell. Hey, you get in trouble with Mr.
Access to all kinds of resources online.
What? This is going on YouTube.
I know. I just farted. Oh, man. Smell the sweet.
Oh, God.
He's a nigger.
No, we can't put it in.
Yeah, I can.
It was fun. Give me something to throw at Curtis. Give me a pencil to throw at Curtis.
Here, throw this.
Dude, I don't want to kill.
Here, throw this.
Throw a mouse. Put that nickel.
Okay. Now we're gonna throw a nickel at Chris McMillan. He's the one right there in the gray shirt.
I'm in tears.
Man, oh my god, dude. Oh my god.
I'm fucking tears.